Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Driven Garage. Today we're working on the Scion FRS, and we're going to go ahead and replace some of the lug studs or wheel studs because we're putting some spacers on, and we're just removing the OEM or the original ones and putting some ARP ones. These part number is 100-7716. The FRS BRZ and as well as the Subaru WRX and probably some other cars as well, but I'm going to go ahead and just show you a little trick to go ahead and replace these. So first thing was first is you probably took off your rotor and caliper. You had the original studs in here. You could just take a hammer and tap those out. If they're not coming out, let some PB blaster sit on the inside of this. You can always use some heat just to loosen them up if you want as well. But after these tap out, these will just slide right out with the hammer. And I'm going to show you the next trick will be is that on the back side there's the hub assembly. There's 4 bolts that are, as you can see, a 14 millimeter. They're on the back side. You're gonna go ahead and loosen all 4 of those up to make way for these to fit, and I'll show you the next part. Okay, so you went ahead and removed the 4 bolts for the hub assembly, and you're gonna go ahead and actually like wiggle this. You're not gonna remove the CV axle nut, but loosening up that will give you play to this, which will then give you more space to get into here. So what I like to do is wiggle it and pull this out and just kind of going through the bottom, kind of down here in the center. I'll get one started and show you what that looks like. Alright, so allowing you to wiggle it, you can see you could actually put the stud underneath and kind of pull it through. You can move it back and forth and it comes through, because as you can see it's separated from the back, so you're allowed to move this. That gives you more space to pull through. Then you go ahead and just do that for the rest of the 5, turning them and putting them in through the bottom, and that's the shortcut I use.